Do you find yourself feeling sluggish first thing in the morning, struggling to shake off that grogginess, no matter how much sleep you get? You're not alone. Many people feel tired and drained as soon as they wake up. But what if there was a simple, natural way to kickstart your day with a burst of energy? The secret could be in the juice you drink. While caffeine is the go-to for many seeking an energy boost, there's a healthier and more sustainable option. A nutrient-packed morning juice that nourishes your body and fuels your energy levels. Let's explore the best juice you can sip to give yourself a natural, quick boost of vitality every morning. The perfect morning juice, Green Energy Blast. This juice is a game changer, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work in harmony to wake you up and keep your energy flowing throughout the day. Here's why it's the best choice. 1. Spinach or kale, the powerhouse greens. These leafy greens are rich in iron and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining energy levels and keeping fatigue at bay. They're also packed with antioxidants that help combat inflammation and support brain function. Just a handful of spinach or kale in your juice will set the foundation for your energy-boosting morning. 2. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C kick. Oranges, lemons, or grapefruits add a zesty flavor to your juice and are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system and helps fight off fatigue. Vitamin C also plays a key role in the production of energy in your body, so adding a citrus fruit to your juice will give you that much needed morning lift. 3. Ginger, natural energy enhancer. This root is not only great for digestion, but it also helps increase circulation and boost your energy. The zing from ginger can also stimulate your mind and body, helping you feel more alert and awake. Adding a small piece of fresh ginger to your morning juice provides that extra punch. 4. Carrots, beta-carotene and vitamin A. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A and helps support your vision and skin health. They also provide a natural, mild sweetness to your juice. The combination of beta-carotene and fiber helps stabilize blood sugar, giving you steady energy without the crash.